So just like that, we are in Liberty Square. Yay! We're in what is this, like New Orleans type feel? I think is what they're going for.
Sure.
Liberty Square.
Yeah. Sounds about right.
I think so. We're just passing through. By the way, sunset is not gonna like show up on this camera the way it does in life. It's awesome. Love the sunset.
That's why I thought it was the same.
We're just kind of walking around, checking things out. We're not going on any attractions or anything right this moment. We're going to make our way up to the front of the castle, like I said before.
In the middle of summer, we're going to have to call it in.
Just letting you guys walk with us. Bubbles! Ooh, it's getting dark, honey.
I know.
All the Christmas lights are going to be turning on. Let's make our way towards the front. Ooh, photo op, I think. I actually think I'm wrong. It's not New Orleans. I lied. I think this is like Philadelphia. And stuff you'd see at Philly because there's a Hall of Presidents and stuff, Liberty Bell, things like that.
Okay.
So I think that's the like location we're looking at. Okay, what ahead of us is a bunch of people I'm gonna have to try to maneuver through, so I'm not gonna record. We'll talk to you in front of the castle. Well, we made it back to Main Street, and let me tell you, it looks beautiful looking down Main Street. And we'll turn around here in a second. We'll check out the castle too, because it's got its normal night lighting, not its holiday lighting yet. We're about to do a lighting ceremony here in a minute. Yeah, isn't that awesome looking? I love the like twilight kind of look of the castle. Very cool. It's gonna look even better once we light it up for Christmas.
I can't believe we're really here! Everything so gorgeous. We knew the holidays would be so happy. It is beautiful, I mean, look at all the decorations! Everything looks so festive and fun! Guys, we have some company.
Whoa. Hi there.
Hello, everyone. We are so happy to be spending the holiday season in your magical kingdom. Why, the townsfolk of this lovely land. Oh, the townsfolk, of course. I'm Pat. I am Queen Elsa of Arendelle, and this is my sister, Princess Anna. Oh, and this is my Kristoff, and this is Olaf.
What's right behind us?
Have any of you seen our friend Olaf? He's, well, he's a talking snowman. Olaf?
I think I hear him. So high up. Like I'm on top of the world. Look at all the oh, so cute. That's because you're way up there. Silly me.
Why don't you come down here and meet our new friends?
Can I? I would love that. Be right there. Oh, watch out, I'm okay. I'm okay.
Olaf. Hi, Olaf. Oh, Olaf, this is, everyone. Everyone, this is
got so much bigger. They're staring. Why are they staring? Are they real?
I think so. Of course they're real.
Phew, that's a relief. Hi, I'm Palo. I like warm hugs.
You know, for a snowman, you sure do like warm things.
Yeah, like summer. Oh, I always loved the idea of summer and sun and summer fun. It's winter. Winter's good too.
Yes, and this kingdom is dressed so beautifully for the holidays. It really is. I love the trees wrapped in lights, and the bows and ribbons are perfect. And what's that amazing smell? Chocolate. I'm sure you love it. It's the perfect place to spend a winter holiday.
Perfect, except there's no snow or ice. Then it would really feel like winter.
Chrissy's right. Like holidays in Arendelle, you can go sledding and have snowball fights and go ice skating. And you can build a snowman.
Who likes warm hugs?
Yes! There's nothing as magical for the holidays as a kingdom that's covered in ice and snow. No, this castle could use some icy magic.
I wish there was someone who could turn the castle into ice. Oh, I know! Elsa! Why don't you ask the townsfolk if they know anyone who could ice the castle?
Hold off, we already know someone who can do that.
Yeah? Who?
And she's already here.
Yeah? Who?
Last time we
Oh, don't be silly. Elsa, maybe.
Elsa, wouldn't it be great if you used your frozen, crackling powers to cover the castle in ice and snow? I'd love to, but I can't. This isn't our home. We're visiting, and we have to be respectful to those who live here. It could be like a holiday wish. I don't know. Wouldn't you all like to see Elsa cover the castle in ice and snow?
People want ice. I said snow. I said snow. I said snow. I said snow. I said
Anna.
I said snow. I said snow.
Okay, I'll do it. But I would like everyone's help. Will you help me?
It's gonna be so much fun.
Okay, everyone. Envision this castle wrapped in shimmering ice. The snow cascading down its tall towers, twinkling like a million stars. Now, feel the icy magic swell and swirl within you. Do you feel it? Are you ready? Now let it go! the winter holiday now. And of the games and holidays and thank you all so much for having us here and for making our holiday wonderful. Happy holidays, everyone. Goodbye.
See ya. Bye-bye. Happy holidays. More hugs for everybody. Guys, go with me.
Well, that was cute. Although some people like to ruin things for other people and talk the entire time or complain the other time or put kids on your shoulder so no one can see behind you. You know, we digress, we get over it and we move on.
Or
And
stand on benches.
yeah, that's kind of ignorant too. But people do that. Oh well, it was good. I enjoyed it. Now we are going to go to the Jingle Cruise. The Christmas version of the Jungle Cruise. That is, if we can maneuver over there.
Hopefully.
Hopefully we can. Adventureland.
Have some adventure.
Someplace we haven't been yet today. I mean, there's lots of places we haven't been yet today, but this is one of them. This is where the Jungle Cruise, aka Jingle Cruise, or Jingle Cruise, aka Jungle Cruise, is. Also, like things like the Tiki Room and stuff like that. Also, could get your Dole Whip somewhere over here. I got to figure out where that is and get one.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a whole different park at night, tell you that much. Right off the bat. I think we're on the right track. To be honest, I'm not 100% sure. There's Skipper's Cantina, so that's a good sign. The skipper of the Jungle Cruise. That is Tarzan's tree, or Swiss Family Robinson tree house. Tarzan's at California. Okay, we're definitely on the right path. Okay, it's coming up, so once we get there, we'll show you some more. Yep, this looks right. It is the Jingle Cruise. Yay, Christmas. My love muffin is too super efficient, and we got to Jingle Cruise a half hour too early. So we're gonna go get us.
Stick with me, I'll barrel through people.
Yeah, we're gonna go get a snack. We're gonna get a Dole Whip because we've wanted one forever. Because they are supposed to be so delicious. Ooh, yummy! And it comes with a little wafer.
Yeah, Donald Duck one.
Yay! Okay, try it. Dive right in. Don't hold back. Good as you thought it was going to be? Awesome.
That is so good. It's really sweet though. It's
Is
so
it?
good.
That's good. I will use the spoon like you're supposed to.
I wanted to dive right in.
You did dive right in. Oh my lord.
Isn't it good?
Yeah.
I can't believe I've never had one of these before.
You know, right? How did we miss this last time we came?
I don't know.
Holy crap. I have a new addiction. It is Dole Whip. I've been converted.
I want to try the float next.
I wonder if there's a way. We have an ice cream maker. I wonder if there's a way we can make a Dole Whip in an ice cream maker. That'd be a fun little thing to try to do.
I'm sure there's like mock Dole Whip recipes
Right. I'm
out
sure there are. But first, we should probably try to make ice cream in our ice cream maker.
there. Yeah.
We haven't done that yet either.
Nope.